Hi all, it's 22nd September 2021 today. I'm going to touch on electronic arts. Well, Saudi Arabia's public investment fund invested in it early 2021. Should we? Before I proceed with this video, do appreciate to give a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so more people who are interested in investment or trading can gain access or know about this platform. Appreciate a lot. Well, what's Electronic Arts? Electronic Arts is a video game company headquartered in US. Current market capitalization is around 36 billion US dollar, which is behind Activision Blizzard, which has a market cap of around 56 billion USD. So if you see that Electronic Arts is actually around 60% of Activision's market cap. What caught my attention is like what I mentioned earlier. Saudi Arabia, way back in early 2021, made investment in Electronic Arts. Of course, this investment of over a billion USD marked Saudi Arabia's view about the video gaming sector in US and in the global markets. So if you look at Electronic Arts, where are the games played? On the console, PC, and mobile phone. Well, every one of us have a mobile phone, isn't it? Okay, year to date, EA actually didn't do very well. It came down from 139 US dollar to around 126 USD, a decline of 9%. Why? There's a rumor for Battlefield game to be delayed. Of course, the easing of lockdown, is it a concern that hit on the demand for online live subscriptions? Why? Take a look. Okay, what's the featured games? There's Battlefield, FIFA 22, Apex, Sims S4. The net booking actually, if you actually look at what I circled out, Q1 FY22 on the right, it actually came down from 1.39 billion USD to 1.336 billion USD in terms of booking compared to last year, the particular same quarter. So net booking coming down on a quarter to quarter basis, it's slightly up based on trailing 12 months basis. But is there any concern when price react to that? We really have to take a step back and think through. What are the key business drivers? As mentioned earlier, live services and others, which make up 1 billion of the net bookings, full game make up around 280 million of the bookings itself. So live services is actually playing a very critical role. So what is live services? Live services include subscriptions, advertising, esports, and software license to third parties. You'll see that they have a portfolio of very diversified live services like FIFA 2021, Madden, Battlefield, FIFA Online, Battlefield, etc. So whether can they continue to grow this diversified portfolio remains crucial on whether one should acquire this counter, and also whether can they continue to grow this business and whether people are interested to subscribe. Look at the quarter financials highlights. Revenue 1.5 billion on the left hand side. So compared to last year 3 months, it's actually slightly up, but diluted basis in terms of earnings did come down quite significantly. Operating cash flow actually came down. Investing cash flow of 1 billion, outflow of 1 billion USD is a result of acquisitions of mobile games creator Playdemit, what I have pointed in my gray box. So the question to ask is Electronic Arts running out of creative juices that need to make acquisitions? Because we know that acquisitions comes with a premium, and typically if you can develop organically, why go and make an external acquisition? Of course, you want to accelerate your growth tremendously. Maybe acquisition is one to go. And considering the cash balances on Electronic Arts, which I looked at earlier, is around 2.8 billion as of this quarter. So there's some cash flow, buying some growth to catch up with competitor like Activision itself makes some sense, isn't it? So what's the price performance? There's a key price support at around $120, but to me it's always safer to look at around 98 or even better 76 USD. Analysts are targeting prices of 150 to 240 USD, but to me analysts always get it wrong. So why really consider it? Just on a side note, just bear in mind what the prices. If you believe in the September curse that Nasdaq is going to come down, S&P is going to come down, it's also possible for Electronic Arts to come down as well. And looking at this P ratio right now, it's not exactly a cheap. And considering its annualized revenue of around 6 billion, this pricing is alright but not cheap. So should we rush or not rush? If you already have a portfolio of equities, more than 60, 70, 80% of your entire capital deployed into equities, why rush? To me, it's always good for myself to take a step back to look at the markets because I already have a decent portfolio of equities, so I'm not going to rush. On relative pricing wise, compared to Activision's Blizzard, over the last 2 years since October 2019 to now, Activision actually performed better than EA. You look at the red line by EA, and Activision is the blue line. Activision has gone up even higher to more than 75%, whereas at the peak, EA is only going up by around 50%. But of course, when it came down, Activision got hit more compared to EA. So what do we take to assess? Activision is bigger, EA is smaller in terms of market cap, and market participants tend to like Activision's more based on the observation. For me, I will take a step back, wait on the sidelines to see is there a good pickup point. I do like the video gaming sector. I don't play the games so much these days, but this sector is something that will never go away. People need some entertainment, and gaming is one of the way of getting some leisure. Of course, there's movies, etc. This reflects my current thoughts at this date. As always, this should not be construed as any investment or trading advice. Thank you.